Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have an 07 Honda Accord in the shop. It's got the 2.4 liter in it, and I'm going to tell you where your power steering fluid is located in the reservoir, and it is in the passenger side of the engine compartment on the firewall. It's this reservoir plastic container right here. The pump actually is right here, and you can see the hose going right into the reservoir. The red cap is how you would fill it or add, and to check your level, you can actually look on the side. They mark these indicators on the side of the jug. It'll say low or high. Let me clean that for you. Maybe you can get a good visual of that. I like to shake them sometimes and you can see the fluid level. It's right here, right a smidge below high. So it's right within the limits. If you need to know what kind of fluid to add, check your service manual and go from there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.